Oh, it's a long story, I can't go into.
But it's unbelievable.
Tell the story or not?
Oh, the puppy story. Probably.
No, it's not a puppy story. Do I tell it? Alright.
Oh, no.
Fine.
Oh, is it? Yeah. Well, okay. Well, no, I mean, basically... Was there still a bit of what people were saying was true or not? What people said is true. Oh, okay. People had tried to do it over their own. Okay. And then you... Thank you very much. Here we go. Don't know anything about it, Mr. Blue. Now, have you heard of G-Easy? Oh no, that's not that. Charity Globals make some noise. So, it will cost £3, and all of that money will go to see Johnny Marr. Now, when I tell you, I think there's 50 seats upstairs on the roof, and there'll be Johnny Marr talking to John Kennedy, and we've been told that Johnny Marr's going to bring his guitar. Now, I don't know about you, but it's a domino at 10 o'clock, and each domino that fell was another pain in the backside, and it did not stop. So Johnny Vaughan's doing this competition this week.
So there you go, Pippa. One people say the ones that get worse. So, but listen, you've got a beautiful baby, and that's all that matters. Yes, exactly.
Yes, very true.
Well, listen, thank you for
Speak to you guys.
Yeah, and it was lovely speaking to you too. And have a lovely day. Good luck with your beautiful child. Rob, anything you want to say? Right. Okay. Do you have anything you want to say to Claire before she goes? Nope. Okay, all right then. See you, Rob. Thanks, Claire. Bye.
Bye, Claire. Bye. Bye.
Wow, I didn't think I didn't think Rob was taking that.
No.
You didn't really like this idea, did you, Rob?
No.
It will take an hour, it will take a minimum 2 hours. And yesterday, we could not have been more wrong with our timing. So, we'll be done by 11:45. It's great. Yeah. By 11:45, I think I was still being made up. Amazing job, but I really thought this is my chance to shine and look fabulous. Do you remember in cinema, we look like two drunk clowns.
Oh, go on then! Idiot.
Oh, that was the 7 Seas of Rye.